Hello, thank you for joining RasPipKr tutorials. I'm Martin Parker, and in this Python tutorial I'm going to talk to you about boolean, or bool, however you want to refer to it. It's basically true or false. Now, in my last video regarding operators, I did touch on the point of boolean when we was checking the state of a equaling 10 or not equaling 10, and we was returning true or false. So I'm going to create a quick function called test. It's going to take some input, and I'm going to set the variable of text, and I will do a video on inputs soon. And it's just going to ask enter something. So please enter something. Right, so we've got our variable text, and it is taken the input from the keyboard, and we want to check what that is. But first I'm going to declare b for our boolean to be false, and basically we're going to change the state if something is true or not. So let's check if text is equal to Martin, because that is my name. So I'm going to print hello Martin, how are you? And I'm going to print out the value of b, but I need to change the state of b, and I missed that. Equals true. And because we've done if else statements in previous video, I'm going to put an else if in here. So I'm going to do a if text equals, and I'm going to put it as a string of 43 because I'm 43 years old. Yes, so you have to set it in as a string like this, or you can do it a different way, but I'll do a video on the strings as on its own. So I'm going to print wow, you don't look it, because I lie. My computer lies to me all the time, and I didn't do my b equals true again, did I? Wally. Right, so there we go, and I'm going to do an else in here as well. I'm not going to change b because it will stay as false. So I'm going to print basically to screen saying sorry, I don't understand. Okay, so there is our function. So now I'm going to do my running of my function. I'm going to enter my input, and it will store as text, and it's going to change, well, it's going to set b as a variable of false, so that is boolean, and text, if I enter Martin, and it'll only be Martin on its own, it will change the state of b being true because my name is Martin. It's going to then print hello Martin, how are you, and print the state of b after. So let's run our test function, and as I've just mentioned, I'm going to put my name in here, and there we go. It is returned hello Martin, how are you, and true, because that is what I entered, and it's accepted it, and it's gone through this piece of code here. So I'm going to run the test function again, but this time I'm going to enter my age just to make me feel better for 1 minute. Wow, you don't look it. And it is true, I really don't look it. My Raspberry Pi lies to me. But I'm going to add in something else that doesn't equal Martin or my age. So I'm going to put in a number of 33 whatever. In fact, let's just put 3.6789. Okay, so we'll just put in a floating number in there, and it's come back as sorry, I don't understand. For the reason being, we declared B to be false, and it's not one of our statements that we're checking it to be true against. And I'm almost getting attacked by a wasp. How nice. Trying to record. Go away. So there we go. So there is some examples on how you can use boolean. We did the returning of boolean in the previous video, and we are changing the state of boolean in this video as well. So that's it for boolean. So it's basically true or false, and I hope to catch you in the next one.